I was reading this story the other day from this book that I was reading, actually about the Philippian church. And it's a story about a missionary named H.B. Garlock. And I wanted to read this to you. This is an example of following the leader. This is what it says about this man. H.B. Garlock, for many years, the field secretary for the Assemblies of God missions program in Africa, made it a habit of traveling through the bush with the national pastors. As he lived and worked with them, his values and his Christian example rubbed off on many of them. One particular habit he had was to stop on the road to remove boulders that he found along the way. Few would bother to do this, but missionary Garlock did. When the national pastor with him would protest at the inconvenience of doing this, his response would always be, "But we will be making the road easier for those who follow." Years later, travelers through that region could immediately identify the disciples of Garlock, for they too would stop their vehicles to remove the boulders. Now, I read that story and I thought, what an amazing leader. But that's what God has called us all to be, right? We're called to go before whoever may be following us and make the road easier. Now, it may not be easy, right? As in this example, it is a road to be traveled, and this man went before people that were coming after him, and he moved out obstacles in the way. And that's our responsibility in our homes, our responsibility in our families, wherever we're at. We're to go before and remove the obstacles that cause people to trip up behind us, right? But ultimately, our ultimate example of one who did this was Jesus, right?